Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Indicates not only that development is progressing well, but also that Samsung is working with the official US variant device, the most futuristic budget king smartphone. The Galaxy A37 launch date, specs, and variants for the US, Canada, China and more certified variants are revealed online. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is reportedly planning an earlier than usual launch for its 2026 mid-range lineup. The Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 are expected to arrive as early as February 2026, instead of the typical March timeline. Ahead of that, the company is moving quickly to secure regulatory approvals. After appearing in multiple certification listings in recent weeks, the Galaxy A37 has now cleared another key hurdle, showing up on the Bluetooth SIG database. Samsung's new Galaxy A37's Bluetooth certification confirms a wide launch for the United States. First spotted by our own Mohammed Khatri, the Bluetooth SIG recently certified multiple Galaxy A37 variants. These include US carrier-locked and unlocked models, a Verizon-specific variant, as well as Canadian and Chinese versions. The following model numbers were spotted, as you can see in the video. Model number SM-A376U and SM-A376U1 are for the US. Model number SM-A376W is for Canada. Model number SM-A376U is for China. And model number SM-A376V is the Verizon variant. The presence of a dedicated Verizon model suggests that Samsung is prioritizing close carrier integration in the US, rather than limiting availability to unlocked units. The company often does that, so nothing new. It's unclear if it plans something similar for the Galaxy A57. Note that the Galaxy A5X lineup often skips a US release, or arrives stateside later than the global markets. For reference, note that the Galaxy A37 is expected to come with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, 1080 by 2340 of resolution, with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1900 nits peak brightness. The updated Snapdragon chipset, 6, 8, 12 GB of RAM, 128 and 256 GB of storage, a triple rear camera system, 50-megapixel main with OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, a 12-megapixel selfie camera, and a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts wired charging support. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.